Hello, welcome to this tutorial. We're going to overview the SMS notifications feature, which allows you to automatically send text messages to your customers every time the status of their order changes. Let's get started.
With this feature, you can keep track of what's happening in real time by getting SMS notifications whenever an order status is updated, and you can improve the shopping experience for your customers by offering them the option to get text messages for their orders as well. You'll find these two sections to configure this feature. First, in General Settings, you can select the provider you want to use. We have all these options. For example, let's select Twilio. I get the link here to go create an account, and I'll need to enter the account ID and the token. You can get that information from the provider. Then, in Sending Settings, you can enter the number you want to use as the sender, an alphanumeric ID that we'll also see as the sender. You could enter your site title here. Then we have the admin phone. This is the number you want to send the admin notifications to. As you can see, it doesn't have to be just one person. You can add as many numbers as you want to here. And here you can decide if you'll send the customer notifications to all customers who place orders or only to those that ask for it at checkout. Let's select this, and we get this text field where we can enter the text to show at checkout. In this case, the text is I want to be notified about any changes in the order via SMS. And here you can choose to show the checkbox selected by default. Let's do that as well. Let's save, and let's go ahead and see that. And there we go. Here's the checkbox. I want to be notified about any changes in the order via SMS. It's optional. It's checked by default. If I uncheck it and I place the order, I should not get any SMS notifications. Let's go back. Then here you can decide if you want to use a URL shortening service. You can choose not to use one, or you can use Bitly or TinyURL. If you choose any of these, you'll need to enter additional information you can get from their website, and this will automatically shorten any URL that's included in the text messages. And last, we have the character sets and SMS length section. Here you can use special Unicode characters for your messages. This is useful, for example, if you need Chinese, Japanese, or Korean characters, Greek, Cyrillic, and more. If you do use one of these, keep in mind that the default SMS length will be 70 characters. So here you can enable this option to extend the maximum length, and here you can enter the maximum. Now let's move on to the second section, SMS settings. Here you can find all the text messages that are sent automatically by this feature. First, you have the customer notifications for each status update. You have the status, the text, the option to enable or disable each notification, and once the provider is set, you can send the test message here. You can edit the text of each notification and use placeholders, for example, to have the order ID and the site title. You could also use other placeholders like the billing first name to use the customer name, and more. And at the bottom, you have the SMS notification that is sent to the admin numbers you set in General Settings. You have the text here you can edit, and here you can enter all the statuses you want to get a message for. Right now, the admin numbers get text messages whenever orders change to any of these statuses. You can edit the text, of course, and as you can see here, we have another placeholder for the order status. Now, the feature sends the SMS notifications automatically, but you can also send messages manually. Let me show you. So we're in this order, and right here to the right, we have this field where we can enter anything we want to communicate to this specific customer. As you type along, you'll see the remaining characters here. And once you're all done, you can just click on send to send the message. And that's it. That's how easy it is to improve the shopping experience in your shop by communicating order updates through text messages.
Okay, so you can configure and use this feature. See you soon in the next video tutorial.